friends who are into pageantry, runways, fashion, modeling, this is something very important for you. So please note and please save. Wearing high heels is synonymous to regular day at work. I know that. They make you stand taller, look slimmer, and give you that extra boost of confidence that can only come from wearing a killer pair. As a model, being able to walk gracefully in heels of all heights is an absolute must. Whether you are walking the runway or not, it's a skill that will keep you at top of the game. Fantastic, really proud of you. Something that also must be known is high heels can take a toll on your feet. Pumps, stilettos and other high heels are some of the leading causes of forefoot injuries, arch strains, heel pain, toe injuries, sprained ankles, posture and gait problems. So, to minimize and avoid these problems, all you need to do is choose a lower heel. Heels under 2 inches high are best for regular wear. If you want to go higher, consider heels that have a platform on the forefoot. This increases the height while causing lesser distortion to the foot. Go for the perfect fit. A good heel will be comfortable when standing and won't allow your foot to slide forwards when walking. Rounded or open toes are generally better than pointed toe boxes, and a soft insole inside can reduce strain on the foot. Take breaks. Never wear heels to an occasion that require extended period of walking or standing. When you are sitting, slip your heels off and stretch your feet, focusing on bending your toes, flexing your Achilles tendon, and relaxing your calf muscles. Add padding. Apply foam padding anywhere the shoe rubs against your foot and opt for cushioned insoles to ease the pressure on the forefoot. Switch between flats and heels. Alternating high heels with a supportive shoe can give your feet a chance to recover and reduce the risk of pressure injuries. Remember, walk like you own the ramp, but don't forget to take care of the feet which walk the ramp. Take care.